I'd like to shout out Setiawan Samuel. Thank you so much for your continued support and really just being the best part of AMLD TV. Thank you so much, and I enjoy seeing you in the comment section. Without further ado, I am honestly a very minimalistic person, and on this journey of saving money, I lean towards a lot of natural things. I love natural skincare. So today I'm going to tell you how you can use simple products to achieve glowy skin and many other benefits that I will include in this video. So yeah, let's hop into it. And if you haven't yet, subscribe, join the family. We literally do everything here. So if you feel the vibe, if you love your girl, you know, your girl Ashley, might as well subscribe. I mean, it's free. So you guys, let's get into it. So the first thing you're going to want to do is get some type of cup. Like honestly, anything works. So you just pour some olive oil in the cup. I mean, you could measure it. If you want to measure it, I would do about 2 tablespoons. But I kind of just am an eyeing type of gal. Like, I don't really think it's that serious. It's all natural anyways. So I put some olive oil, and then I put I think it was about 3 tablespoons of turmeric. You're gonna want to do it, like, not do it, but you're gonna want to put the spoonfuls into the olive oil, and you're looking for a certain consistency. So basically you're just gonna mix it up and keep adding the turmeric until it's a thick enough consistency to where you could like easily apply it to your face. That's how I do it. So that's really all you do, and then you mix up the concoction. And as you can see, I was cleaning the countertop because turmeric really does stain stuff. So you want to make sure that if you get it on anything, you're taking it off immediately, because ain't nobody got time for that. So yeah, I'm mixing it up. And yeah, that's really about it, you guys. Now, this part is all about preference. I mean, what I did is I just put the concoction on my hands and then used my hands to exfoliate my face, because the turmeric left, you know, kind of little, not chunks, but particles. So it was good enough to exfoliate my skin, which is really good for getting that top layer of dead skin off your face. So that's what I did. I just used my hands to do that. But if you don't want to use your hands and you think that the turmeric will stain your hands, then I would just use a spoon or maybe a wood applicator. You know, it's really up to you. All right, and I have this much left, so it you know, I could use it a few more times. So 45 minutes to about an hour later, here is me. As you can see, the olive oil has kind of dripped through like the turmeric, so you're just gonna want to be aware of that if you're wearing clothes or anything, you know. So yeah, and I just used a washcloth to wash my face, and look at that glow. Look at the moisturization. Like, yes, natural glow, come through. Na, na, na. But nah, y'all, I'm feeling myself. I'm already peeping the glow. Alright, so I scrubbed it all off, and you can still see there's residue. So I used some Suave cocoa butter, and I think it's like shea butter, body wash. I just used it for my face, and I scrubbed. It's funny because one time I accidentally left the turmeric in my eyebrows, and this lady that was in my eyebrows was like, what is this? But you know, girl, I put her on. And yeah, so and there's my face. It's all clear, it's looking all clean, low-key dry. So I used some rose oil. So this is actually like a primer, but I love this rose oil. I literally got it out of beauty supply, and it is bomb. So I'll link it in the description box below for y'all. and you just moisturize. Be careful how you like you know, rub your face, because I heard that if you like rub down, that could cause sagging, like wrinkles, right? So you want to like push out, you know, you want to make sure your face stays firm. Okay, our skin is very elastic, so you want to make sure, just, you know, little tips, slight hack. And that is it. My face is all shiny, I'm glowing, I got that natural glow. And you guys, many times people will ask me like, girl, you are glowing, and it doesn't matter if it's like natural skin or makeup. It's all about like what's going on underneath. Okay, so it does shine through your makeup, and you know, people peep that natural glow. So thank you for watching that video. Hope you enjoyed, and let me know, you know, how it works for you. Okay.